Spectrum Mobile offers two convenient ways to activate your device using a traditional physical SIM card or the newer eSIM technology. A physical SIM card is a small, removable card that you insert into your phone's SIM tray. It contains a chip that stores your carrier information and allows your device to connect to the mobile network. An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is built directly into your device. Unlike physical SIM cards, eSIMs allow for instant online activation without waiting for a card to arrive in the mail. You can activate your service immediately through the Spectrum mobile app or website. Many newer devices support eSIM technology, including Apple iPhone 12 series and later models, Samsung Galaxy S24 series, and certain iPad models. Check your device specifications to see if eSIM is available. Before activating your device, you'll need to complete several preparation steps. First, ensure you have a Spectrum username and password. If you don't have one, you can create an account through the My Spectrum app or website. Next, gather your Spectrum account information, including your PIN and billing address. This information will be needed during the activation process. If you're bringing your own device to Spectrum Mobile, make sure it's unlocked from your previous carrier. An unlocked device can connect to different carrier networks. Back up your device data to prevent any loss during the activation process. Also, ensure your device is updated to the latest software version for optimal compatibility. Finally, review and agree to Spectrum's terms and conditions, then power off your phone before beginning the activation process. This ensures a clean start for the activation. First, if you're using a physical SIM card, power down your device and carefully insert the SIM card using the SIM ejector tool that came with your phone. Next, connect your device to a Wi-Fi network and sign into your Spectrum mobile account using either the My Spectrum app or by visiting spectrum.net in your browser. Once signed in, locate the activation dashboard in your account. This is your central hub for device activation. Click the Start Activation button to begin the process. For eSIM activation, you'll need to scan a QR code provided by Spectrum. This QR code contains all the necessary information to download your eSIM profile directly to your device. If you cannot scan the QR code, you can manually enter the eSIM details in your phone's cellular settings. Navigate to your device's cellular settings and select Add Cellular Plan to enter the information manually. If you're transferring your existing phone number, you'll need specific information from your previous carrier: your account number, transfer PIN, billing address, and the account holder's name. After entering all required information, wait for the activation to complete. You'll receive a confirmation email when the process is finished. Restart your device and check for signal bars to confirm you're connected to the Spectrum mobile network. If you encounter any issues during activation, first double-check your Wi-Fi connection and ensure your device is unlocked and compatible with Spectrum Mobile. For additional assistance, contact Spectrum Mobile customer support.